Almost every AI video tool has the exact same problem. You get a few seconds, then you write another prompt, generate another clip, jump to a different tool for sound, another one for music, another one to edit it all together, and at the end you're just hoping all those broken pieces somehow feel like one story. But today, I'm testing something that claims to skip all of that. Not a generator, a director. Something that's supposed to sit right next to you like an actual filmmaker, walking with you from the very first spark of an idea all the way to a finished film. This is OpenArt Director, and the first thing that caught me off guard, it all starts with just a chat. No massive interface, no 200-word prompt you have to engineer perfectly. I gave it one idea, one sentence, really. An astronaut wakes up alone inside an abandoned space station, floats through dark corridors lit only by red emergency lights, and finally reaches a window revealing a planet no one has ever seen before. That's it. That's all I gave it. What I found interesting is that it didn't jump straight into generating a video. First, it asked me about the aspect ratio. I chose 16:9 because I wanted a cinematic look. Then I selected the output quality, and only after that did it start building the story. That's where it really stands out compared to a lot of other AI tools. Before generating even a single frame, it tries to understand exactly what you're trying to create. A few moments later, it generated a complete story concept, followed by a storyboard, the main character, and the overall atmosphere of the story. The astronaut was fully described, including the appearance, clothing, emotions, and overall mood, so the character stays consistent throughout the project. If I didn't like any part of it, I could simply edit it through the chat, change the ending, make the atmosphere darker, adjust the pacing, or refine the story without starting over from scratch. Honestly, this is where I realized this experience feels very different from anything I've used before. Instead of constantly thinking about writing better prompts, I felt like I was actually directing the movie. That's why I personally call this vibe directing, because it feels much more like directing through a conversation than simply generating videos. Once I approved the story, director moved into production, but instead of showing a simple loading bar, it actually displayed the entire production process. You could see it creating environments, generating character references, preparing the audio, and building a complete production plan for the project. It doesn't feel like you're just waiting for a video to finish rendering. It feels like you're watching an actual filmmaking process unfold. One of the biggest problems with current AI video tools is that you constantly have to switch between different software. One tool for writing, another for images, another for video generation, another for sound, and finally an editor to put everything together. Here, almost the entire workflow happens inside a single project. At the top, you also have shot, scene, and timeline, so after the video is generated, you can review scenes, refine them, and regenerate the specific parts whenever you want. According to OpenArt, Director can generate cinematic videos up to 5 minutes long in a single project, which is a huge difference compared to most AI video tools that are still focused on creating short clips. Besides text, you can also use images, videos, audio, music, and even your own voice. You can assign unique voices to different characters and and create projects in multiple languages with built-in lip sync. But what impressed me the most wasn't the interface or even the number of features. It was the workflow itself. I started with a simple idea, watched it become a structured story, saw the character come to life, the environments get built, the audio and the sound effects generated, and finally everything was organized inside a timeline ready for editing. That's exactly what makes creating longer and more complete projects feel much more practical. Of course, like any AI tool, the final result still depends on your ideas and creative decisions. Director doesn't replace your creativity, it simply helps you organize it and turn it into a finished film much faster. And to me, that's where its real value comes from. So if you're creating short films, commercials, music videos, or you simply want to handle your entire video production workflow without jumping between multiple tools, I think OpenArt Director is definitely worth checking out. I leave the link in the description below. OpenArt is also offering a 15% discount code for the monthly plan, and you can also get up to 40% off. If you're looking for the best value, make sure to check out the annual Wonder plan as well. You'll also find my referral link and discount code in the description. In the end, what made OpenArt Director stand out to me wasn't just that it generates videos. It was the fact that for the first time, I genuinely felt like I was directing the filmmaking process instead of simply writing prompts. And that's exactly why this experience feels much more like vibe directing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!